come after gym and then dive. Watch him.
After I come back.
You man have sauce up juice, beetroot and carrot, cucumber and string bean. I think I green on a cucumber and string bean. And just buy escovite, saltfish and falling bread. So we're waiting on it. Who remember Kim and Kanye wedding? You see all the flowers they look good. Over there so where the flowers they look, what I want it to look exact way when I get married. I like the Andre the complaints I take big bag. I'm not a big bag girl. Joe.
Yeah, they go buy it here so they eat.
Yeah, I go buy my salad. Salad.
Brother, skin pan the onion.
What I do?
Skin to the onion.
You need one more onion?
Yeah.
I tell him enough onion.
Skin span.
Man, I also. So that can be healthy, you know.
Don't this smoke now?
Yeah, with the smoke, they come out of the truck and stuff.
Oh, yeah, go again. I wrong place, I go over there, but I just need one time I catch up.
Oh, through the smoke and all. You can drive yourself same way.
Let me tell you, man, if that man start drive down.
And so them stay. Oh, that one. Oh, that is spicy rub.
Let me have the spicy wrap.
Hello.
Yeah, let me have the spicy wrap, please.
Combo.
Spicy wrap combo.
Flavor drink.
Any flavor.
Any flavor.
That's complete.
Yeah.
Yes.
$4.90.
Alright.
Sure, leave your car on. Go on. Car box gone.
You feel me full, I'm not staying.
If what?
You feel me full, I'm not staying.
Ah.
I'm not blinking us, because I don't want me to go call and make me come back my dead.
Me now go call so early. See your big old face. Anyways, guys, so I have my water and my order this from Wendy's. Don't say a mango. And my order is spicy wrap. Because it have vegetable and all in there. And then give me chips. I don't think I'm going to eat the chips though. Yes. I don't think I'm going to eat the chips. Because true, eat chips have oil and stuff. I don't think I'm going to eat it, but I'm going to open this and show you. Look. Okay, so you can see chicken and the cheese inside. You know that big and you know that small, but it will full belly. So I'm gonna eat this and then we're on our way to the gym. Because when you eat from morning, you only drink like water. You wake up, you drink water. And we only eat when we go to the gym, and then when we come home, we eat like a light snack. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat this. Andre gone inside the floor. Don't care about one of the cable box. Because in our work, 2 weeks now in our work, and floor they charge with feed, so we go just cut off the cable and keep the internet. Because we only use the internet. Because I only watch YouTube, I don't really watch TV. So yeah. The true in the traffic. Go take a while to reach the gym, so just a short view. It's a great Margaritaville, the famous Margaritaville at least.
They don't sponsor the video.
What?
Margaritaville did not sponsor this video.
But don't just show them on here, so. One time we did come.
Not a sponsor, not a sponsor.
You much about that span. One time we come on the glass boat here, so Andre was out and never did one jump there, so never did one go up on the big slide. One big slide behind there, so
That's a lie.
Andre was out.
I don't know what I don't remember if I go.
You went think too deep or something, so?
No, go somewhere. After I shallow, we did shallow.
You know shallow, it's deep.
It's shallow.
Alright, jelly man.
You have to be catching your chest. You want to catch your chest.
No deeper than that. Jelly and cane man.
Our life is like a vacation in Jamaica.
Yes. Our life is like what?
A vacation in Jamaica.
We live where people come and vacate. Yeah, blue beats.
Blue skies and blue beaches.
And so, when we get sun in a man.
Yeah, sometime I know. Tourists don't come here. I wonder how so much tourists take vacation them at time of year, January. I wonder how no tourists there Jamaica them at time of year, January.
Because maybe they didn't take like...
Because maybe I think like say somehow the tourist season like the holidays them. I don't know, January is the holiday. New Year. Well, I don't know.
Maybe a New Year they not finished, see?
What's it?
A lot of tourists over there, so shopping at the gift shop.
What's the tourists? No.
And tourists again. Maybe they're still enjoying New Year's.
Be careful.
Catch the shop over there, so.
Gift shops. Jamaica nice, you know? If you're married and come for your honeymoon, you will enjoy yourself.
True, we live here, we don't appreciate what we have.
Yeah, we don't appreciate what you want. Because we don't really enjoy it like that.
Enough time, enough of them not hurry now.
They're not hurry, watch them.
I don't know why all of them are police and walk so funny. I want to go man.
Like the thing on
Them
there.
the type of police they are. I want to get some bus injection with this.
The hotel there. In an hour.
Chinese, Japanese, Chinese, Indian man.
Post office, close shop. Oh yeah, and you know from when I come out here, so the Starbucks, never in my life drink a Starbucks, but them carry one out here, so the tourist area, so because tourists like Starbucks, so Starbucks. You open late sometimes.
Brother, the vibe so rough, like then choose and choose, like in drink copper. Why them sand water?
Really?
Yeah. No bad selector, the man.
Yeah.
Bad selector.
I like it, sure, I look cute.
Yeah, want to lose 50 pounds.
I think you would be nice.
Yeah, want to lose 50 pounds.
I think you would be nice. I think you would look nice.
People who give compliment and look for a thank you, they are self. That's it, go finish.
Andre,
But does not say the word start with one O.
Andre, your shave look cute. Let's do it. Let me do it again. Recap, rewind. Andre, your shave look cute.
Aight, man.
Really? No, thank you.
Look bad, look eat.
Me hungry. So I thank you for my belly. Come.
Respect.
Really, Andre?
I don't want to be the police. I don't want to say.
You hear what you see police them? Was self-absorbed?
Oh, that's that.
Oh no.
Fight guy out. Guy out.
It does when you say thank you, just better. Who ever watch the Safari and Buster and video? See up there, so Safari did film.
Oh, red stripe.
The red stripe sign, yeah. When him sing about Moby and thing.
Oh, you know, say police first me ever really take notice of the red stripe there.
Really?
I live a beard, I born a beard, grow a beard. And the first me see it today, I swear.
At that time he sing about
Yeah, I see that video, see that video. Then get a close up.
Yeah.
The flare of the famous Glory to Glory and hotel.
Yeah. Glory to Glory. And the white boy, I call the van the white boy. In soon passing out. That's the airport, by the way. Vancouver Airport. This is the next sign that says welcome to Montego Bay, Jamaica. In the music video. You can watch a music video and go see.
Oh, that is nice. You know what's the minute thing you watch a music video?
Just watch a music video. The one that say with Safari and Busta Rhymes. I don't remember one name. So we just left gym. I will go to the beach. What up here? I will not swimming at that gym close at 200.
Yeah,
Pretty big beach. Start even again. You never care.
Yeah.
You know, so search now here. You find it?
Lisa, it's in your bag there.
The beach pretty. Come after gym and then dive. Watch him. Samsung, I get a test today. I'll do my test before now. The waterproof. Shit, love your tip. Me know my entire gym outfit. Do it up. When I left gym at, they have to come at beach. Afterwards, don't want to.
Why that trip went too far?
Can you forget deep to trainer?
Yeah.
I threw the wall of water.
Yeah, you tied them with the tide, man.
Tie them.
Tide.
Shallow. One boat, the way out there, sir. Way out there, so one small boat. Right here, so. See there? Way out there, so. Yeah, right there, so. Cause me cut them. Shit!
Hey, Karine, Shut up. Murder up.